Welcome to our tutorial on how to navigate the Card Services page in online banking. Learn how to view and manage your card settings. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. To get started, visit us at SchoolsFirstFCU.org and log in to online banking. From the menu, locate and click on Card Services. Choose your desired card and click Manage. You can also click on the card image. For debit cards, you can choose from the following options: Lock Card, Cancel/Replace Card, Change PIN, and Travel Notice. On the bottom of the page, you can also view your card's limits. For credit cards, you can choose from the following options: Lock Card, Cancel/Replace Card, Request New PIN, Travel Notice, Balance Transfer, Request Limit Increase, Enroll in Identity Theft Protection, and redeem points for the Rewards MasterCard credit card. If you misplace your card, you can use the toggle button to lock or unlock your card. If you move the toggle button to the right, a dark blue color will display and will lock your card. If you move the toggle button to the left, a light blue color will display and will unlock your card. If you temporarily lock your card, you'll receive a pop-up message confirming your card is temporarily locked and can't be used. If you find your card, you can remove the temporary lock. You'll receive a pop-up message confirming your card is unlocked. To set a travel notice, select Card Services from your menu options. You'll see a list of your cards. You can click on Manage under your desired card. You can also select the card image. Click on the Travel Notice button from the Card Services section. You can also click on Set Travel Notice from the Quick Actions menu. If you don't have any active travel notices, you'll see this page. If you have prior travel notices, you'll move to the next page. Select Create Notice to get started. Enter your trip details in the destination, departure date, return date, and contact number fields. Once you're finished, click Continue. Review your travel details and click Confirm. You have the option to delete a travel notice. Click on the Card Services menu option and select Travel Notice. You can also click on Set Travel Notice from the Quick Actions menu. You'll see your travel notices. To delete a notice, click the trash can icon. You'll see a pop-up message confirming your request. Click the Delete Travel Notice button. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a pop-up message stating, Travel Notice Deleted. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.